AE303.
This kit contains Fe1, Fe2 and Fe3 along with test jar, comparator tube and color shade chart. Start the test by collecting 5 ml of sample. Add 15 drops of Fe1 reagent and 30 drops of Fe2 reagent. Add 1 spoonful of Fe3 and mix well. Allow the mixture to stand for 10 minutes. Once the color is generated, transfer it to the comparator tube. Place the comparator tube on the white inner circles of the color chart to find the match for your color obtained. Make sure you are viewing from top of the tube. Matching color indicates the value of your sample. We have similar testing procedures for silica, phosphate, copper, etc.